Any one of you who's been following me since the very beginning knows that my husband is an avid runner. So this year for his birthday, I decided I was going to make him a place to hold all of his medals and his bibs and some pictures because he has a lot of them and they just lay around. So I started off first by using SolidWorks and I sketched out what I wanted, and I got a cut list and a bomb to use as I started building. I had a lot of scrap wood laying around, so I used that as part of my project. So at first I took 3/4 inch plywood and I cut a hole in it for the 1/4 inch backing. So here I am putting in that backing, making sure that it fit nice and snug. The next step was I put it all together, made sure it fit, and then started putting in the LED lighting. I wanted him to be able to showcase this in dark spaces if he felt. So once I had that in, I started spacing the paneling that I had for decorations. There is an 1/8 inch spacing in between each of these, and then I took and I glued them down, as you can see here, so that there wasn't any nail marks. After that, I created a center spot for him to be able to put pictures in, and the white tape there is actually, you can write on it like a whiteboard so he can update his times or anything he felt he wanted to share about each event. And this is the final project when I got done. The LED lights actually do flash in different colors if I want, and I put up what he had laying around. So here it is hanging up. I originally had this planned for 2, and seeing as he's using it, I probably will make the other half. Once again, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, share, comment, or subscribe.